Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to recharge Amazon Prime on iPhone. Well, this is really easy. We're gonna open the app of Amazon Prime, and right here in the app we're gonna find our profile icon right here, okay? And we're gonna click this icon. Once we click, we're gonna find this icon right here, and once we click right here, we're gonna click this icon right here called manage account, and we're going to open the manage account right here. And you can also go to page to amazonprimevideo.com, and then you're going to click the same your profile icon. Once you click right here, you're going to click in account settings or manage profiles. Once you click this one right here, this will appears, and then you're going to click right here this button called set payment method, and then you're going to add your core information for one recharge in Amazon Prime. Okay, it's really easy to do. It's very simple. If this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.